Metro Manila ground to a halt when the government imposed the strictest lockdown on March 15, 2020. In 48 hours, the enhanced community quarantine covered the entire Luzon and restricted the movement of around 57 million people in 8 regions. Public transportation was suspended. Construction projects stopped. Schools were closed. Non-essential businesses and services stalled. More than 7 million Filipinos went jobless as the economy took a major hit. To help struggling Filipinos, the government approved a cash aid to 18 million households for 2 months. After a strict lockdown, a number of provinces were allowed to relax restrictions in May. And some businesses and services reopened. But by this time, the pandemic brought the economy to its knees. Economic managers declared a recession as the economy posted its sharpest decline since 1984. Meanwhile, the healthcare system was on the brink of getting overwhelmed. The World Health Organization flagged the Philippines for having the fastest spread of infection among 37 countries in the Western Pacific region. Despite the coronavirus threat, the administration began further relaxing restrictions by the third quarter. But the health sector pleaded for time to regroup. ECQ was extended, including in Metro Manila. Later on, downgraded by a notch. The country reached a grim milestone in coronavirus cases, 100,000. It also registered the highest infection in Southeast Asia, as cases doubled in August. With the raging pandemic, Filipinos struggled to get back on their feet. Over 73,000 online businesses registered with the Trade Department at the onset of the Christmas season. There was a spike in e-commerce, such as food deliveries, as people shifted to online purchases while staying safe at home. In the meantime, the struggling tourism industry saw a ray of hope as destinations began reopening in October. Thousands of Filipinos were able to get jobs again as unemployment substantially declined. With the world racing to roll out vaccines, Filipinos welcomed 2021 with hope. On March 1st, the country finally began to boost its chances in fighting the coronavirus pandemic by administering vaccines initially to medical frontliners. While a number of Filipinos still need convincing to take the shots, at the end of the day, immunization is an effective defense against a deadly, unseen enemy.